What's going on YouTube? I want y'all to enjoy the section. Do that Jay Wheeler where they just pull the cord and it goes on. That's Otis. Hey, Otis. Hey, Google. Oh, my. I'm gonna use my thing. Release. Uh-huh. We're going to the upside down. Nintendo. I love the Shark. Cleans hardwood floors. We don't appreciate that enough. So I'm gonna come in here and rearrange the cord. Hey everybody. Everybody, everything okay? Okay. He's ready for the game, man. We all know who's gonna win that game. Someone to shout, who that? Who that? Who that said they gonna beat them Saints? All right. Enjoy the session. why I love shark. Smells good now. Oh, get it, Otis. Oh. Okay. I'm going to rearrange the cord and see what I picked up. I mean, it's been a minute since I've seen y'all. Y'all, we got a lot to talk about. And it's all good. It's just been busy. That's all. Just been busy. Shout out to everyone who's evolving in the vacuum community. I always like to see evolution. Like this thing is about to evolve. This shark. What is this thing called? The Shark Rocket. Y'all know what? I'll be honest. I do miss my Bissell. However, the sharp bracket is just so convenient. My God. Okay. How do I get this thing off here? Oh, there we go. All right, so put that thing there. All right, so we're gonna empty the dust cup. I'm gonna do like I do. Shout out to my 5 Heartbeat fans. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. You don't want to come out. No, come out. Full house vacuuming. Look at that. Oh, oh, look at all that hair. All right, I'm gonna get the thing up. Okay, put the thing on like that. Yeah, I've been practicing. I know I've been awake, but I've been practicing. Trust and believe that. I'm lying. I've been right here. All right, so. Oh, let's check the brush roll. Hold on. I'm going to have to get a stand. I'm going to have to get a stand for the camera and stuff. When you agree, Natural Dirt Queen, get a stand. That way I ain't got to worry about the camera focus and everything. But, oh, I'm dealing with dirt, y'all. Okay, so pull that out of there. That is neat. This one does not do that. They don't allow us to see what's going on in the brush roll. I mean, we can see it, but they don't encourage it. All right, y'all. Come on. Let's do this. Like that. Do it again. Okay, release that thing. Ooh, I can release it. Look, y'all. I can release it from the thing. It's still standing. It's still standing. Yes, God. I'm gonna get a stand because I can't continue to be doing this where I am. If I want to let y'all know how serious. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there we go. How serious this vacuum thing is. All right, child, this thing is going long. Okay, hold on. Oh no. Oh no. I knew it. I knew it. I should have been messing with it. I should have not been messing with it. Hold on. You all right. Ain't nothing wrong with you. Ain't nothing. Ooh, Y'all, no. Look. That happened. Listen, yeah, I gotta go. Listen, I hope y'all enjoyed the suction, but I gotta clean this up. This ain't even me. See you next time. Bye.